Today I'm going to be unboxing the
Refurbished
Nintendo Switch OLED. And after the unboxing video, I'm going to be telling you about my experience with the Nintendo Switch OLED, which I have right here. Here's the unboxing video. Thanks for sticking around through the unboxing video and the comparison to hear about my experience with the OLED. It is absolutely amazing. I love the huge, gigantic screen. It's a little bit empty feeling because there's not really a big grip right here. I guess they had to do that because you could just take out the Joy-Cons and use them as sideways controllers like this. And coming from the Switch Lite, I really appreciate the Joy-Con removability because sometimes I like to have it on the desk and be able to play and stuff. And also I like the fact that you could just put it on there and it will charge the Joy-Cons. Coming from a regular Switch, the screen is a really big upgrade. Even though it's 720p, it looks great. As long as you know, don't, wow, look at those pixels. Although you kind of have to look really close to see the pixels. Like I could sort of see them right now. The OLED stand, which is better than the regular Switch stand, is amazing. You could have it flat like this. This is pretty much just resting on these little things right here. It's really adjustable and it feels really sturdy, so it doesn't feel like it's gonna break or anything. And also you can use the same Joy-Cons and stuff. And I've heard that the original Switch, it's not as fast as this, which I don't know how much difference that is. The only thing I really wish this had was 2 of these game card slot things. Also forgot to mention the fact that this is a refurbished Nintendo Switch OLED. There is almost nothing bad about it, other than the box box being a little bit torn up. It was maybe a little dirty and slightly used. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications.